Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set face unlock in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings and here select security and privacy and here select device unlock and here select face and fingerprint unlock. Now click on face and click on agree. Now try your pattern for authentication and confirmation. Now enroll your face. Just click on continue and place your face in front of your front camera of your phone. Yes, and click on done. Finally face is registered now. Okay, now lock your phone and try to unlock with your face. Okay, see here, yes, it is unlocked. So in this way you can easily set face unlock in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.